back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a Sunday reset. So Sundays are definitely my rest days. I don't usually go to the gym. I like to kind of get ready for the week ahead, clean, meal prep, do groceries, plan content for next week. However, I am behind, so I actually have to film and get content with Devin for brands. So I'm gonna write a to-do list and like write out my whole day, just because I feel like writing it down kind of helps de-stress me, and then I feel like I'm able to get more done. If it's written down, I don't know. It's just helpful for me. But yeah, welcome to a Sunday reset. So part of my Sunday reset routine, I like to relax, have some self-care. I do a hair mask, I do a face mask, but I also have been loving this product, especially when I have a headache. As you guys know, I've talked about it before, I get really bad migraines that affect my vision. So I used to have this like beaded fabric mask, but you'd like heat it up in the microwave. Yeah, it just wasn't ideal. I was literally so excited when Renpho reached out to work. They sent me their eye massager. You can also get this on Amazon, and you can prime it so it can be on your door in literally less than 2 days. I love Amazon Prime. So it comes in this box. It comes with a remote to control it, your cords, a travel bag so if you want to travel with it, and it looks like this. You can fold it. Like, I'm sorry, how high tech is this? Definitely, yeah, an upgrade from my my beaded microwave one, that's for sure. And then it's like padded right here. It is Bluetooth, so you can play music. So it has built-in heating pads. It's also known to help with dry eyes and reduce dark circles. So 5 different modes: voice broadcast, Bluetooth music, and it goes on for 15 minutes. They're also having a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, so you can save money. It also makes the perfect gift to a loved one.
This is the Renpho Eye Massager. It helps with dry eyes, dark circles, redness, and swelling. And for me, it's helped tremendously with my migraines. It has built-in heated pads, 6 air compression bags that gently knead your eyes around 10 acupressure points. It has 5 different massage modes and is USB rechargeable. It also has a Bluetooth option so you can listen to your music or play the pre-recorded relaxing sounds.
So there's low pressure, medium pressure, and strong pressure, and then no pressure. So there are so many different options based on what you want at the moment. This has just been a product that I have been loving, especially for my Sunday resets when I'm having my self-care routine. I just think it's so handy, especially for my migraines. Okay, so here is the OOTD for running errands, because I'm going to Publix because I need a few items, especially to help me meal prep. But this is from Bailey.s. They sent me it in white for the try on haul, and then I went and bought the other 2 colors in black and then this like nude, because I just think it's so cute and it's perfect for fall. Pairing it with black Alpha Elite Amplify leggings. You guys know Alpha Elite Amplify are my fave leggings ever. You guys can use my code Bailey to save money at checkout. 10 out of 10 recommend. They're my favorite leggings ever. And then I'm pairing them with my New Balance. These are 452s. I got them from Goat. Okay, I just got back from Publix. I was supposed to grab original and I grabbed caramel. You guys know I don't like caramel. And then I got one of my faves. You guys have seen me make this before. I like it. It's easy. It's got 27 grams of protein. It's the slow simmered beef roast. It's fully cooked, so it's easy to make, especially if you work like a long 9 to 5 and the last thing you want to do is come home and cook. This is a good option. I mean, it is processed, so I wouldn't eat it 24/7 and this be the only thing. But if you don't have time realistically, which a lot of people don't, to have a home cooked meal every night, this is a good option. And then I saw this and I was like, this would make meal prep so easy. And I didn't even realize that they stock this type of stuff at the grocery store. It's kind of like HelloFresh and Green Chef, where they give you the ingredients. It's got 3 servings and you just make it, but you don't have to go shopping. I feel like it was more expensive though than like meals from Green Chef and HelloFresh, so I probably won't be doing this 24/7 because it was like $24. The chipotle pork tenderloin with sweet potatoes and asparagus. So we're gonna make this as one of the meal preps. It'll get me 3 meals. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It's got the pork. I just cut it in slices. There's asparagus and the sweet potatoes underneath. And I only had 2 meal prep containers. I don't know what happened to the other one. So I'm gonna have to like put that in a different type of container. That'll be my 3rd day. It gets you about, yeah, roughly 3 meals. For $24, I don't know, I feel like you can probably get cheaper on like HelloFresh or Green Chef. I could be wrong. I don't know, for 3 meals it just kind of seemed pricier. When I feel like it's like on HelloFresh it's like usually $8.99 a meal. Could be wrong again. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put these away and save them for this week. So I just filmed 2 videos, a White Fox haul and then my Buff Bunny review. And this is what it looks like after. The chair is right here because that's where I set up my camera because my tripod's too short. Then we have a ring light. I gotta clean. The bathroom has all the White Fox clothes on the floor as well. My bathroom and my closet have gotten out of hand. I didn't realize it was this bad. I don't want to show you guys, but I'm gonna because this is normal, right? I mean, not everyone has a super clean apartment 24/7. And like, same thing, like if you have to find an outfit to go out. I'm trying to make excuses, but there is no excuse. Keep in mind, this is from try-on hauls. So it hadn't looked like this for long. It's bad, I know. It's all White Fox, Buff Bunny, and then just like trying to find outfits for shooting content with Devin. I love like when I'm cleaning or when I'm editing, I love to throw on one of these. So we're gonna do Autumn Day at Cozy Outdoor Coffee Shop with Fall Street. But yeah, it's just the most calming thing to have in the background. And it just gives me all the fall vibes. I'm here for it. Devin.
Hey y'all.
We are gonna get some content. I have 3 outfits. I wanted to do like more fall stuff, but the outfits I had in my head, I put them on and they were just not cute. Didn't like how my body looked in it. So we're just gonna do these 3. They're not very fall. One of them is pretty fall, like a transitional outfit. Like the first 2 though are very, I don't even know how to describe them. We are currently at a parking deck and the lighting is phenomenal.
Okay.
OOTD, first outfit picked. This is from Lucy in the Sky. It's a super cute dress. It's very short though. Very, very short. And then boots are from Fashion Nova. Is that you?
Yeah, that was me.
So I'm getting content, in this set again, just because it was fire. I want to get like a little walking video for reels, maybe a pic. And then I have 2 other outfits. Lighting is like so good. So something I like to do each week is do a deep hair mask and have it on for like 30 minutes before I shower. Sometimes if I have the time, I'll leave it on for a few hours, but I just don't. So I'm going to put this in my hair, leave it on, and then shower. I'm also going to put on this face mask. I haven't tried it, so hopefully it does well with my skin. It is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. I like to do a face mask each week as well.